Hey guys, I want to catch a video of the Nissan Titan before I get it back together. There's finished door panels. Top of the dash, I did best I could with what used to be duct tape adhesive and a bunch of really bad spots all around the airbag, which are still there slightly. I did not charge for that. I just fixed it best I could without needing replacement parts. Complete dash. It does have a replacement part for the bottom half of the dash, but it was charcoal gray, almost black. So I chose to do the other side, which he had the original tan piece. I'm going to do it black also, so it's the black bottom half of the dash. And maybe black out around here too. And these vents to go along with where I painted these. These handles were wore out. I refinished them black instead of silver, and those pieces. Still need to do something with the steering wheel and airbag. I've cleaned the other side. Very good. Pillar post, covered suede like the headliner. Sun visors. Still need replacement seat belts, I guess. Those I cannot find a way to fix. That one will come loose now. This one's still locked up, and they're really dirty, so I can't do anything with those. Back carpet stain. I scrubbed it with a rug brush. Bad news, there's no aftermarket carpet available for these Nissan Titans, at least not from my carpet company. I'm going to look into that some more, but in the meantime I took the original out, cleaned the floor pan, and pressure washed the original carpet. 3 days in a row, a couple times each day. It's very dirty. So it still has some stains. Front, the other side a little more than the back here, and a couple of cigarette burns. The other one's in the middle up front, which the console will cover, and we can possibly build it further back to cover this one too. So we'll see how that turns out. It's not good enough. I can do a custom fitted cut and sewn carpet, but that's twice the work, so I have to charge more for that. So this way of cleaning the old one, I can actually charge them less of what I was originally going to charge for a replacement carpet, since it's not available. Alright, I've got almost all the seats done. This is how they used to look. Cloth. There's the back of the front seat. There's the front of the front seat. Completely recovered, and when I had this torn down to a metal frame and all the plastic trim removed, I not only cleaned each piece of plastic with the crud cutter and a brush and sprayed off with a hose pipe and then dried, also cleaned the frame, tracks, and all the nooks and crannies, and all these mounts. They were dirty like these. A lot worse on the front, which is how most vehicles are. Some way worse than others. I have all the plastic pieces that were originally this color cleaned, ready to go in, and then a few more that go up top that used to be gray because the top half was a gray color. I've repainted these to the closest shade I could get to the originals. pieces that go under the dash. That was the one that was charcoal gray. I went ahead and put a coat of black just so it would match the same shade as the other side and look cleaner. Get a nice finish. And took those buttons out and everything, or they're blanks really. They're blanks for what could have been buttons. I removed those when I painted it. That part of the back seat's ready to go back in. Oh yeah, my body's getting old. Speaking of, I've been wearing myself out lately. I've got quite a bit done on the Cadillac also, but I'll wait till the next video to show it. Here's the dash pieces. I don't know if I can save these. I'm going to try my best. Try to work on them like a little model car. Repair them, glue them, fill them in with plastic putty. I don't know. We'll see. I think I can fix one for sure. I don't know about the other one. Same for this centerpiece. It goes above the radio. Alright, so that's where I'm at. I'm ready to get this truck back together and finish the odds and ends. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with something new. Peace.